In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your GitHub plan. Whether you're looking to save a bit of money or simply don't need all the advanced features anymore, downgrading your plan is a straightforward process that I'll walk you through step by step. To start off, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your GitHub account. Once you're on GitHub's main page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll be looking for the Settings option. Clicking on this will take you to a new page where you have a variety of settings to manage your GitHub account. Now keep your eyes on the left sidebar. You'll want to scroll down slightly until you find an option labeled Billing and Plans. Click on this and it will lead you to another page where all the details about your current subscription and billing information reside. Here you're going to see a section titled Current Plan. Underneath this, there's a button specifically labeled Downgrade Plan. By clicking on that button, you're initiating the process to move to a more basic or simply different plan. In this case, you need to select the GitHub Free plan. GitHub Free is a solid option if you don't need the premium features. But before you finalize this decision, you'll want to carefully review the features you might lose by downgrading. GitHub will provide a clear list so you can assess if you're ready to proceed without these additional tools. This step is crucial to ensure that all your needs will still be met on the new plan. Once you've reviewed these details and are sure that downgrading is the right choice for you, simply follow the on-screen confirmation steps. These prompts are straightforward and guide you through the final stages of the downgrade process, ensuring everything is in order. Lastly, to wrap things up and make the change official, you'll need to click on the Confirm Downgrade button. This final click will set everything in motion, effectively changing your subscription plan to GitHub Free. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of downgrading your GitHub plan. Doing this can be a great way to manage your resources wisely, especially if the features you use regularly are available on GitHub Free. Remember, you can always upgrade again in the future if your needs change. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.